Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare fish oil step by step. Start by selecting fresh, oily fish like mackerel or sardines and rinse them gently. Cut into chunks and place in a large stainless steel pot with just enough water to cover. Simmer on very low heat until oil separates and rises to the surface, skimming gently as you go to retain purity. Next, focus on gentle extraction to keep delicate fatty acids intact. Maintain a low simmer and avoid boiling, which degrades oils. Use a shallow pot for even heat distribution and skim the oil as it collects on the surface. Pour the warmed oil through fine cheesecloth to remove solids, then allow the filtered oil to settle overnight so any remaining water separates away for easier siphoning. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more clear, practical guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty on the pair shown here. They feel great during long kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For a cleaner, milder oil, refine gently before bottling. After decanting, you can pass oil through activated charcoal to reduce strong fishy odors and improve clarity while keeping nutrients. Keep all processes cool and avoid prolonged exposure to air to limit oxidation. Transfer the final oil into dark glass bottles, leaving a small headspace, then label with content and date and store in a cool, dark spot to extend shelf life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.